Hey friends, Lauren Wild here. We are going to be making a solar infused anointing oil in this video. Let's get started. So here I have my oil that has been sitting since the Capricorn new moon, and it was Sun, Jupiter, and Venus energy. I cast this on January the 4th of 2022. So I've been infusing this baby for a minute. I feel like it's ready. So calendula is the energy of the sun, luck. It's very close to like citrine type energy. And I think it's gonna be great for an Ostara anointing oil. So let's get into it. All right, so the first thing you're gonna need is you're gonna need a bowl to catch the excess oil in. You're going to need a strainer. And then you're gonna need either a paper towel or a cheesecloth or even a towel that you don't really use anymore. You can use it like this. So you wanna set the whole thing like this and then go ahead and put the paper towel in. And I'll show you why in just a minute. But when you're ready, go ahead and, whoop, I'm doing this out in the elements, so bear with me. Gonna pop the seal. Okay. And I'm gonna hold it, this, and I'm gonna pour all of this golden goodness in. Now, it's starting to seep through at the bottom, but here is what the towel is for. It allows you to squeeze it, right? It allows you to squeeze it and get as much out of the plant material as possible. You just gotta be okay with your hands getting gross. Now, I'm not getting rid of all of the calendula. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna give it to my mother tree as gratitude. But you can see that that part has been done. And in here we have this solar infused oil of calendula. Now, what we're gonna do is, this is the kind of container that I love. I get these on Amazon. It's like 12 to 15 bucks for 4 of them. They're really pretty, they have bamboo. And this is what I like to make them, but I think I'm out. So I have one that's not as aesthetically pleasing, but it will work, it's cleaned out. Another option is you can use an empty essential oil roller. I'm not gonna do that. I just wanted to show you it. And I have this adorable little funnel. And I'm going to take my funnel and set it just like this. Now, this is gonna be a little persnickety because I'm doing this as a video and it's not necessarily the best setup out here, but I wanted to get it done so you can see it. Now, this is where I would add any essential oils, is in this part, unless you don't want all of it to have an essential oil in it. You would add it then to the specific container. This is Young Living's Magnify Your Purpose. It's one of my absolute favorite oils. I'm just gonna add 1 drop to the mixture. Oh, I guess 2. Because I feel like this is what I need, as I need some consolidation energy of like, what am I doing, right? What am I making? I also have some little tiny crystals. I have adventurine and I have rose quartz. So these are things that you can add to the spell, to the anointing oil. I'm not going to, because I haven't cleansed them, I haven't set them, but I just wanted to show you that if this is where you wanted to, if you wanted to add them, I would smoke clear them first and just add a couple of them in here with the intention that you have, particular to that stone. The stones hold the energy. I would go ahead and add them in before I add the liquid. All right, so we've got it right here. Now, when you are measuring, you want to be able to hold it up so you can see how quickly the oil is filling, because it can be a little weird and daunting, and you don't want to waste this precious oil that you spent months making. So almost. All right. So now I have my solar infused oil. Now I'm going to add a label, and I'm going to put on it that it was made in the Capricorn new moon, and it was pulled in the Ostara in-book portal. And this oil is all about ambition and taking action and initiation and going after your goals, which is very much what Aries season and this weird liminal space between Imbolc and Ostara is about, is that looking for signs of new life and awakening. So super easy to do. I will use this to charge any of my candles that I know that I want to do any major like action focused or goal oriented work, because it was cast during a Capricorn new moon and it was pulled right at this peak season of Ostara, and I'll use it to anoint myself, anoint any of my tools, and especially my candles. It's very fire energy right here. I can feel it. Hopefully this was helpful for you. Let me know. Thanks. Bye.